To start or stop KtmRm for distributed transaction coordinator service in Windows 10 Home, right-click on Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services and then scroll down Services screen. And then right-click on KtmRm for distributed transaction coordinator. Tap Start to start or tap Stop to stop. Coordinates transaction between the distributed transaction coordinator (MSDTC) and the kernel transaction manager (KTM). If it's not needed, it is recommended that the service remains stopped. If it is needed, both MSDTC and KTM will start the service automatically. If the service is disabled, any MSDTC transaction and interacting with the kernel resource manager will fail, and any services that explicitly depend on it will fail to start. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.